This short audio is meant to be used daily as a reminder of the truths that can replace the lies you were taught in childhood. If you haven't already, please listen to the full educational audio, Healing from the Lies of Childhood Abuse, to understand the background and concepts behind these messages. That audio explains where the lies come from and why they feel so powerful. And if you ever find yourself doubting these truths or slipping back into the old beliefs, review it again for reinforcement. It will remind you why those messages were lies and help you strengthen the truth. Let's start with a brief grounding exercise. Take a gentle breath in and let it out slowly. Now let your eyes gently rest on something in your environment. Notice its shape, its color, its texture. Remind yourself, I am here in this moment. I am safe right now. Take another slow breath in and out. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice the contact of your feet with the floor or your body resting in the chair. Feel the weight of your body being supported. If your mind begins to drift to difficult memories or feelings, gently bring it back to this moment by naming one thing you can see, one thing you can hear, and one thing you can touch. Finally, place your hand over your heart and say quietly to yourself, I am safe in this moment. I can choose what to believe. I am here to learn and to heal. Let's review the truth you learned in the audio, Healing from the Lies of Childhood Abuse. You do not need to judge yourself harshly. Simply keep trying. Every step you take forward matters. You do not need to fear mistakes. They are part of learning, and they help you grow stronger. You can believe fully and without doubt that you are worthy of love and that real love never includes abuse. You can recognize that respect must be earned through kindness and care. It is never something you owe because of fear. Recognize that you are not at fault for how you feel, but you choose to take responsibility now for the direction of your life in adulthood. You can allow yourself to feel your emotions and trust that your feelings are valid. Tears are a natural expression of sadness or grief. You have a right to feel what you feel. Recognize that you feel bad about yourself because that is what you were taught. It is not who you truly are. Don't believe what the abuser told you about yourself. You can give yourself permission to question authority, to speak up, and to decide what's right for you. Someone who has your best interest in mind will not abuse you in the name of authority or power. And above all, remind yourself that love is never about control. Love is freedom, safety, and acceptance. Remind yourself frequently of these truths so that the lies don't continue to control your life. Take a deep breath and reaffirm to yourself, the lies I was taught do not define me. I choose to believe in my worth, my strength, and my right to love and respect. Now take a slow breath in and let it out gently. Let's practice some affirming truths that can be used as coping statements throughout your day. Listen to each truth, and if you'd like, repeat it silently or out loud. As you listen, focus on taking slow breaths with each affirmation. I am capable of growth and change. As long as I keep trying, I haven't failed. It is better to try than not try. Mistakes help me learn. I deserve love without abuse. Real love is kind, respectful, and safe. Respect is earned, not demanded. My experiences were real. My feelings are valid. My feelings are natural. Crying is not weakness, it is healing. I am not shameful. The abuse was not my fault. I have the right to question. My voice matters. Love is not control. I deserve love that is safe and free. Take a final, slow breath in and out. As you go through your day, remember, these are the truths you can carry with you. The lies were taught to you in the past, but they do not need to define you now. Each time you repeat these truths, you strengthen your healing. If you need reassurance about why the old beliefs were lies, listen again to the full audio, Healing from the Lies of Childhood Abuse. It will help reinforce the truth until it becomes stronger than the beliefs from the past. Come back to this short audio whenever you need a daily reminder. Over time, the truth will take root.